Guess who's back? Back again. Guess who's back? Back again. So today we are gonna start with the topic convertible bond. Okay, in convertible, what do you mean by convertible bond? Okay, so what happens in this bond, in this topic, in this type of bond, what happens that after a certain period of time, your bonds are converted into equity shares. Okay, so this is the basic thing about convertible bond. Okay, so whether the investor should invest in convertible bond or should he not? So that's what we are gonna see in this. Okay, in convertible bond, option is given to bondholders to convert the bonds in a fixed number of equity shares. Okay, like I told you, some calculations related to convertible bonds for decision making. Okay, who makes the decision? The decision is made by the investor. Okay, conversion ratio. What do you mean by conversion ratio? Conversion ratio is the number of shares per bond on conversion. Okay, so for one bond, how many shares are gonna be getting is the investor is gonna get at the end of the maturity. Okay, also one thing, is this conversion necessary? Is this conversion an obligation? No, it is not an obligation. It is just an option given to bondholders. Okay, conversion value or stock value of the bond. Okay, stock value of the bond or conversion value, anything in exam can get what it is, conversion value or stock value of bond. That is your conversion ratio into market price per share. Okay, it suggests that how much. So what is conversion value or stock value of bond? It is conversion ratio into market price per share. Okay, what is conversion premium? Conversion premium is the amount over and above your conversion premium. Total conversion premium is equal to market price of the bond. They would have given a value minus your conversion value. Conversion value is what? Conversion value is your conversion ratio into market price per share. That is how much premium are you gonna pay? Okay, that is to get the conversion option. Okay, how much premium are you going to pay for getting the conversion option? Okay, so this value, your conversion value will be less than your market price of the bond. Okay, so conversion premium or ratio of conversion or premium over conversion value. Okay, anything you have to calculate this formula. What? Conversion premium or ratio of conversion premium or premium over conversion value. Okay, so it is market price per bond, market price of bond minus conversion value divided by conversion value. Okay, market price of bond minus conversion value divided by conversion value is your conversion premium. Okay, conversion premium per share, we have to divide it with the conversion ratio. Okay, that's it. Next, conversion parity or market conversion price. So conversion parity is a price wherein you will be indifferent. Okay, whether you convert the bond or the market price of the bond, it will be same. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll just take market price of the bond divided by the conversion ratio. Okay, market price of bond divided by conversion ratio, or your current market price per share plus your conversion premium, whatever is given in the question. Favorable income differential per share. So what is this? This is how much coupon are you getting? Okay, how much coupon are you getting over your this thing, your conversion, what is this conversion? See, your coupon interest you get from the bond minus your income which you derive from your equity. Okay, so your coupon minus your equity shares, okay, your equity shares in dividend divided by your conversion ratio. Okay, so how much are you favorably getting from how much are you favorably getting from having bond? Okay, premium payback. So let me take an example so that you can understand it better. Okay, it'll be good. See, now the interest from the bond will be, let's suppose the interest was 15% and the face value is 100. Okay, so 15 is my interest. Okay, now for every one bond they are giving 5 equity shares. Okay, and every equity shares has 1 rupee dividend. Okay, 5 into 1. Okay, so 5 rupees I'm getting dividend in dividend. Okay, total dividend. Okay, minus MRC divided by how much are we getting? 5 equity shares, right? Divided by 5. So 2 is my favorable income differential per share. Okay, premium payback, that is conversion premium per share divided by favorable income differential per share. It means that your conversion premium that you are going to pay, okay, for conversion option divided by your favorable income, how much you will be gaining from it. Okay, so what is a premium payback period? When will this conversion premium per share will be paid back? Okay, by your income differential. Okay, by a favorable income differential from bond, your interest payment. Okay, next, state value of bond, PV of future cash flows from bond using without conversion option. So what we do, we don't exercise the conversion option at the end of the period. So how much will be the value? That only we have to do PV. Okay, next, percentage of downside risk. Percentage of downside risk is if we continue to that is your market price per market price of bond minus your state value of bond divided by market price of bond. What it is in percentage of downside risk you have to take in denominator market price of bond. Okay, so what does this tell us? What does this ratio tell us? So it suggests that in the downtime, okay, if we continue with the state value of money, okay, with the state value of money, how much risk are we taking? The market price of bond minus your state value, okay, state value of the bond divided by your market price of the bond. How much downside, how much down the line are you taking risk? Okay, so premium over state value, that is market price of bond minus state value divided by state value of bond. In denominator it will come state value of bond. Okay, so this suggests that how much premium are we getting over our state value. Okay, so let's suppose our market price was 120. Okay, our state value was 99. Okay, divided by 99. So how much risk am I taking? I'm taking risk of I'm getting premium of 21.21%. Okay, in market how much the price it is over state value, that is the ratio we are going to check. And if we do it in this 120 percentage of downside risk, what will we get? Minus what? 99 divided by 120. So I am taking risk of 17.5%. Okay, next, investor or bondholder will exercise conversion option only when conversion value of bond exceeds state value of bond. This is basic. Okay, that is, he will only exercise the conversion option when the conversion value exceeds the state value of bond, or else he will do just state value of bond. No, when the conversion option exceeds the state value of bond. State value means what? The PV. Okay, you PV all the future cash inflows to the current value. Okay, that is state value. When you don't exercise conversion option, you get a value, and doing conversion option, what you get? If it is equal, you can do whatever, you will be indifferent. Okay, if state value of bond is less, then we will choose conversion option. Okay, so this was the concept of convertible bond. Now we'll do questions of it. Some questions are there. It is very easy. Okay, just remember the formula, just remember the logic, you will get it. Okay, convertible bond, the first one is quite easy, so I'm not going to solve. Just remember formula and logic. Okay, 53 is also easy. Okay, we are not going to solve, we are going to solve 54 is good. Okay, we are getting many ratios. Okay, so we'll solve this. The following data is related to 8.5% convertible into equity shares. Okay, 8.5% fully convertible. This is the coupon rate. Debenture issued by GAC Limited at 1000. Okay, 1000 is my face value. The market price of debenture is 900. Okay, conversion ratio is 30. State value of debenture is 700. Okay, they have given state value, we don't need to calculate it. Okay, market price of equity share on the date of conversion is 25. Expected dividend per share is ₹1. Okay, so what they are asking? They are asking conversion value of debenture. What is conversion value of debenture? Your conversion ratio into market price of bond. Okay, how much I'm getting? 750. Okay, 750, right? What is conversion value of debenture? It is your number of shares into conversion ratio. Next, market conversion price. What is market conversion price? That is your market value of debenture divided by your conversion ratio. Okay, so it is 30. So what they are saying is, if you take market price of debenture, you will get a premium of 5. If, see what it means is, if I take market price of debenture divided by the conversion ratio, my equity shares value should be 30. Okay. Next, what they are asking is conversion premium per share. Okay, what is a conversion premium am I getting? Conversion premium is minus how much was my conversion value, 750. Okay, divided by how many, what is my conversion ratio, 30. Okay, so 5 per share I am getting conversion premium. Okay, so what does this mean is that how much premium am I getting by having the conversion option. So how much is it? It is ₹5. Okay, we can also do this by market conversion price minus your current market price, okay, of equity share. We can also do that by that, or else you can do it by my method also. How I did it? Minus 750, 900 was my conversion market price of the bond minus my conversion value divided by the conversion ratio. We get the amount. Okay, next, ratio of conversion premium. What is ratio of conversion premium? Ratio of conversion premium is 900 minus 750, okay, divided by 750. So it is 20%, right? 20% ratio of conversion premium. You can also derive it by conversion premium per share divided by market price of equity. Okay, so what does this ratio mean? Conversion ratio of conversion premium. it means that how much is the it suggests that how much premium am I getting from the one share. Okay, that is 900 minus 750 divided by 750 divided by the conversion value. Okay, it comes to 20%. If I show you the formula is here. See, market price of bond minus conversion value divided by conversion value. Okay, this is my conversion ratio of conversion premium. Next, just put it in the formula, you will get the answer. Okay, if you can't find the logic behind it, just muck up the formula. Premium over state value of debenture. So what they're asking is 900 is my premium, 900 is my market price of debenture minus 700 is my state value divided by 700. Okay, it is 28.57%. .6%. Okay, the same. Next, favorable income differential per share. What is favorable income differential per share? It is the more interest you are getting over your dividend. Okay, over your dividend, how much more your interest you are getting. So how much is it? How much is my interest? My interest is 85 rupees. Okay, 1000 into 8.5%, 85 rupees. Okay, and how much is the dividend I'm getting? 30 is my conversion ratio. Okay, into what? 1 into 1 minus MRC divided by what? My conversion ratio. So 1.83 is my favorable income per share. Okay, 1.83 is my favorable income per share. Okay, 1.83. So how do we calculate it? Coupon interest from debenture minus conversion ratio into dividend per share divided by conversion ratio. Okay, favorable income, how much I am getting? It is per share, how much I am getting? It is 1.83. Okay, premium payback period. Okay, what was my conversion premium per share? My conversion premium per share was, how did we calculate this conversion premium per share? 900 minus 750 divided by 30, right? 5. Okay, so conversion premium divided by your favorable income per share, 1.83. So my premium payback period will be 2.73 years. Okay, 2.73 years. Fine. Yes. So this question was good. Okay, just to brush up all your formulas, you can use this. Okay, next, 55 is easy, just do it. Okay, 56 will do. 56 we will do. It is kind of unique, so we'll see. Surname Limited has issued convertible debentures with coupon rate 12%. Each debenture has option to convert 20 equity shares at any time until the date of maturity. Okay, they will get 20%, 20 equity shares, and the coupon rate is 12%. Okay, debentures will be redeemed at rupees 100 on maturity of 5 years. Okay, it has a redemption of 5 years and redeemed at, we'll assume the face value is 100 only. Okay, redemption value is also 100, and investor generally requires rate of return at 8%. Okay, what they are saying, this is my required rate of return on 5-year security. As an investor, when will you exercise conversion for given market price of the equity share of 4, 5, 6? Okay, so what they are asking, that when will the investor opt for conversion option. Okay, so first what we'll need to do, first we'll need to find the state value of bond. So what in words we saw that investor or bondholder will exercise conversion option only when conversion value of bond exceeds the state value of bond. So first what we need state value of bond. What is my state value? How will we calculate? What is my required rate? 1.08. Okay, divided by, so in question only they have given, okay, the cumulative PV factor for 8 is 3.993. okay, the PV factor for 8 is 0.651. okay, 681. We just put the values in it. So what was my coupon rate? 12. 100 into 12%, 12 into my PVAF. How much is it? 3.993. okay, it is basic, so that's why I'm going fast. M plus we have done it ample of times. 100 into 0.6891, 681. This is my terminal value. So 116.016 is my value. Okay, 1.116.016 is my value, state value of bond. So what they are asking is, as an investor, when will you exercise conversion for given market price of equity share of 4, 5 and 6? Okay, so what will be the conversion value? If the value is 4 rupees, okay, into what, how much is the conversion ratio? 20 into 20, I'm getting 80. okay, will I exercise the option? I'm getting from state value only 116. Why will I opt for conversion option? This is only 80. Okay, next 5 into how much? 20. So 100 only. If I convert, my value will become 100. But with state value, how much I'm getting? 116. So I won't offer conversion option. So next 6 into 20. Now 120. How much am I getting? 116 from state value. But in but in equity shares, how much I'm getting? 120. By opting for conversion, I'm getting 120. So I'll opt for a conversion. Okay. Now our question is over. Okay. Unless the market price is 6 conversion, he should not exercise. Okay. This is the final verdict we'll give. Okay. So that's all done. Okay, now my question. Okay, I am adding an extra point. When will the investor be indifferent? Okay, when will the investor be indifferent for conversion value or state value? Okay, when will he be indifferent? So what we'll do, 116.016 divided by what? My 20. So when the equity share will be 5.8 rupees per share, okay, at that time we will be indifferent. We will opt for conversion option or state value of bond. Okay, if it is 5.9, we will then also offer conversion only. Okay, so this was my extra point which was interesting. Okay, so that's it for today. Hope you have understood convertible bonds. Okay, just remember the formula. Okay, nothing much in it. So tata, bye bye.